Hello honeys and welcome to today's video. It's the month of love, it's the month of February, and love is coming around us, and it's time for you to share the more, show love to people around you basically, and have fun. Basically it's February, it's Valentine. I really don't want to get into that, but today I decided to try to dye my hair. I decided to try it out, dyeing my natural. After researching a lot and trying to find what dye will work best for my hair, I stumbled upon henna. I decided to try it. So I'm going to be telling you the benefit of henna. I'm going to be telling you how to apply your henna that will be effective, and also if that method actually works. Because I watched a lot of video, a lot of advice from mostly the Indians. Actually, they help a lot in their blog posts and everything, and their videos. I watch a lot of things about henna, and I'm going to be trying it out for myself. So this video is basically a review, kind of first impression henna dye kind of thing. So I hope you're subscribed to my channel, and I hope you also click on the bell button so you know when I post a video. And also don't forget to give it a thumbs up, because you gotta like this video. I know you gotta like it. It's month of love. Show me some love, man. It's Valentine. Like, show your girl some love. Subscribe, click on the bell button so you know when I post a video, and also don't forget to like the video. Also don't forget to share, also comment, because I always reply everybody. I don't ever air anybody. I reply everybody. So let's get into henna.
Every little thing you think you know, I'm here to tell you it should go. I'm trying to help you understand. If you would just take my hand and I'll teach you who I am. Right now you got it wrong, so sugar, come along and I'll show you who's strong.
So guys, I'm going to be applying hot green tea little by little into my henna powder. Basically, I'm trying to get a thick consistency as I'm applying little by little. I'm going to put a list of ingredients in the description box for you to check it out, and also my step-by-step process. So basically, I'm going to be applying the hot green tea until I get my desired consistency. That's very thick, gooey consistency. So basically, I'm applying the green tea to aid the dye release. And I'm also going to be applying my beetroot juice to aid the color I'm trying to go for. I'm trying to go for a red kind of wine kind of color. So I'm going to be adding beetroot juice to aid that. And I'm going to cover it up and let it sit overnight. And I'm going to see you guys tomorrow morning. So honey, it's the next thing, and we're checking how the dye looks. So basically the dye has released, the color has changed, and it's time for me to apply the henna on my hair. So right now honey, I'm going to be applying Vaseline around my hairline, everywhere I don't want the henna to stain. And also I'm going to be applying the Vaseline on. Basically I ended up applying on my face because why not? I don't want the henna to touch my face, to stain my face, so I applied the Vaseline on my face. So now I'm going to be applying on my hair. Basically it was like a wall because my hair was very thick. I was just trying to glide through, section my hair and apply the henna. But I pulled through, I scaled through basically. So after applying the henna on my hair, I'm just going to wrap it up and let it. So honey, it's 9 AM right now, I'm applying the henna to my hair. So after wrapping it, I'm going to let it stay for 2 to 6 hours. That's what was recommended everywhere. Basically, I'm not going anywhere today. I'm going to stay home all day, so I can leave for as long as I want to. And I'm going to get back to you all when the henna has stayed in my hair for quite a while.
Do you remember how you held me then? Now you got me reaching out. And do you see you got me falling in more times than I can get out.
So basically I wrap my hair with a cling film. After that I'm going to wear a plastic cap just to trap in the heat. I'm low porosity and I need all the heat I can get from my body. Also, if you're going to go out, you can just wrap like a very cute scarf or something to go on with your day. It shouldn't like make you just stay home all day. You can actually go out and live your life basically if you have henna on your hair and nobody will know. Just wrap your hair and get out and you're good to go. So I'm gonna see y'all when I see y'all. So honey, I left it for 24 whole hours. Then now it's time for me to wash the henna. Basically, I was tired yesterday, so I just left it on my hair. Then it's time for me to wash, and I'm gonna show you my result real quick. So honeys, basically this is my result. You can see it's kind of like wine. It's not so bright, but it's there. So I'm just going to keep on applying it 2 more times until I get my result. And I have particles in my hair from the henna. Yeah, I have particles. So now to the pros and the cons of henna. The pros being reasons why you use henna, the benefits of henna, and the cons being why you wouldn't use henna, why you like henna. No. First of all, let me go to the pros. It's a protein treatment. Yeah, it's a pro for me because my hair is low porosity. I tend to have moisture overload, so it's a protein treatment. Also, it balances the pH and the oil production of your hair. Does that? It cures dandruff, basically like all of. I don't have dandruff, but if you have dandruff, it's known to cure dandruff like fully 100%. It's natural. It has antibacterial and antifungal properties. That helps one way or the other, honestly. Actually, it helps reduce hair fall, and also people say it helps to cure split ends, but I don't believe split ends can be cured. I believe when your hair is split, you cut it off. You cut it off. I don't know why I just get an accent. You cut it off when you have split ends. And last but not the least, it boosts hair growth. I'm not using it for hair growth, but it actually boosts hair growth. I think that should even be the first thing. It boosts hair growth, but I'm not using it for hair growth. So now basically let's go to the cons. The reason why you don't use henna. Basically, first things first is that for the color aspect, you can't predict your color. That's one thing that I don't like about henna. You can't say, oh, I'm going to get this color, but you're not like, okay, I'm going to get this range. So you have to be open-minded when using henna. You have to open your mind, like, oh, I could get this color, I could get this. It's going to be cool, honey. But if you want one color, you want, oh, I must get this color, I'm not get that with henna. Number 2 is messy. I don't know why. Most of these natural hair things I try, they always end up being so messy, so everywhere. I have to like lay things all around. Applying it was just it was just all over my face. It was like here, it was everywhere. But you just gotta apply Vaseline. I actually applied Vaseline all over my face because I didn't want to stain my face. It was just really messy and ew. Yeah, it's actually kind of drying. Like when I washed it out my hair has never felt dry. It was like I don't know, like a very dry harmattan week. Okay, but I'm trying henna again. Yes, I'll be trying henna again because I want to try for 2 more times or 3 more times to get my desired color. If I don't get my color by that time, I'm dumping the henna. I don't have time for that. Nobody has time for that. So I want to dump the henna and I want to go for my regular chemical, for the regular chemical dye. But the thing is that I know that it's not going to dye my hair immediately because the videos I watched and the blogs I read said that if you have dark brown to black hair, you won't see the effect until you try like 2 or 3 times before you see your result with the henna. I'm going to keep on trying it every month because I can't, because it's a protein treatment. My hair don't like so much protein, and I'm putting much of that in my hair now right now, so my hair is kind of, I don't know, dry and hard. Like my hair is dry. So that's gonna be all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell button so you know when I post a video. I post a video every Tuesday and Fridays, so stay tuned. You have to enter my snap. You have to enter. Are you sure?